You called VPN99. It's fast and secure. So make sure you watch the full video and stay tuned. Here, this is pretty much the home screen of the VPN application. Very simple layout. So here you may see the server section where it says free server. You can tap on that option or icon there, and you can pretty much see all the free servers that it offers. And down here you may see the VIP or premium subscription servers. So there are quite a lot of servers too. So let me just go back real quick. So down here you may get the pro version of this here, but I don't know why they say premium there, but you get the pro version. For top on this, as you can see pretty much the prices on what we're getting with the pro subscription for this year. It also gives you a 3 days free trial. You can test out their servers and so forth. So in 3 lines, nothing much. You have the speed test option there, just to lead on a free account. But how to pretty much use this VPN? So all I have to do is tap on the server section here and select whichever server you want, whether the premium server, if you have a subscription, or free server. Once you have selected your server, you pretty much go back and then tap on this connection. But here, we'll say connection request, and then you just tap on OK, and then pretty much will get connected in no time. So if I miss anything in this tutorial, please comment below. I would love to help you out. And with all that, guys, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell. See you in the next one.